Hey lovelies, welcome back to another recipe. Yes, so today we are making Kenyan chapatis. These are soft and layered chapatis and very delicious. Very easy to make, not complicated. So just please follow the recipe. I used 5 cups of flour. I added in 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this nicely. To flavor it up, I added in some onion. I grated 1 onion, mixed that nicely, and added in 2 cups of hot water. Yes, guys, I told you why I prefer using hot water. My chapatis taste soft for longer, and guys, what's a chapati if it's not soft? So yes, you keep kneading this. You're going to knead this for at least 5 minutes. As you can see, our dough is sticky. Don't get scared. Dough, if you want to make chapati, the dough has to be really sticky. Now you're adding two tablespoons of oil to help you with that stickiness. But you know your chapatis are going to be soft if your dough is soft, guys. This is very important. If your dough is hard, not elastic, your chapatis are also going to be that. So you can tell that your chapatis are going to be nice even before you put them on your pan. So cover this, let it sit for at least an hour. Yes, so spread some flour on your working surface. Now we are going to cut this into 4 shapes. You want them, if you want them by 4, I mean we are going to make 8. Remember, these are 5 cups of flour, so we are going to make 8. We are going to cut 8 equal shapes. Yes, if you want them thicker, you can get out like 3, so that makes like 6 chapatis. Yes, if you want, don't make them so thin. If they're so thin, they'll get a bit crispy. So yeah, try to go with either cutting them either making 8 balls or 6 balls. So yes, now at this point our shapes really don't matter because we are going to try to make our layered we are going to try to make layers. So you just roll it out nicely like that, spread some oil on it, and then spread some flour. Make sure that the oil is everywhere, and then also spread some flour on this. Now you are going to wrap it, as you can see. Please watch the video and enjoy, and feel free to really tell me what bores you. Yes, I'm open to criticism. I'll be very happy to hear from you. Roll it out and wrap it up. Hope I said it right. So yes, we made 8 chapatis here, as you can see. Now we are going to dip this into flour. Now by doing this, it helps us make great shapes. Our circle is going to come out very nice because the dough is fully covered with the flour, so it will not stick on the pan as we try to make out shapes. So that way we are going to come up with a very beautiful circle shape, as you can see. Now heat up your pan, guys. When your pan is ready, by ready I mean when it's really hot, yeah, you put your chapati. You can please cook on medium high heat. Don't use high heat, don't use very high heat or low heat. Use medium high heat. Now you heat up both sides before adding oil. As you can see, I added a tablespoon of oil. Turn it, as you can see. So yes, now try pressing your dough like that. It's going to help create the nice brown layers. Please don't mind the bag, the flour bag. These bags are very clean. and they help make the nice browning that I really like. So please don't mind it. Yeah, your chapati, cook it both sides until it's nice brown and ready. So our chapatis are ready here, guys. They are so delicious and so soft. Please try out this recipe and let me know what you think. God bless you. Ciao.